Welcome guys, today's video review of the top 5 best treadmills under $500. If you are looking for the best treadmills under $500, you are in the right place. There are many products available to choose from, the best treadmills under $500, each with different characteristics. To make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the top 5 best treadmills under $500 reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Xterra TR150 Folding Treadmill. At $360, the Xterra TR150 rings in way below the $500 mark, offering runners an excellent alternative to running outdoors in crummy weather. A maximum speed of 10 miles per hour and a moderate walking area of 50 inches long by 16 inches wide make this treadmill one of the better ones on this list for running workouts. Users can choose their speed between 1 and 9 miles per hour via buttons on the LCD display monitor, or adjust it incrementally to dial in the perfect pace. A 5-inch LCD display keeps you updated on speed, incline, time, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. Place your hands on the pulse readers on the railing for a real-time reading. The TR150 has 12 preset workout programs you can select to have the treadmill automatically run you through an interval session or speed progression. It also has 3 manual incline settings. Unlike the Sunny Health and Fitness SFT7515, you have to get off this treadmill and adjust the incline of the running belt with a metal pin system. So it's not the kind of incline you can really use to do intervals, but it offers a good extra challenge if you want to commit to it for your whole run. The base of the TR150 is designed to fold up into the console to save you some floor space when you're not using it, and transport wheels under the front side of the base allow you to relocate it by simply tipping it and rolling it along the floor. Number 2. UREVO 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. The UREVO 2-in-1 is a great foldable treadmill option for users looking for a treadmill specifically for walking on while working at a standing desk or for some at-home exercise. It's only about 5 inches thick, so it won't boost you so tall that you can't reach your elevated desktop while you stand on it. The name comes from the fact that it has a walking mode and a running mode, depending on the position of the upright frame. Another benefit to the simplicity of this model is how easy it is to get started on it. It's ready to roll right out of the box, with the upright frame folded down in walking mode. The UREVO 2-in-1 has a speed range of 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour, ideal for anyone looking to add some moderate movement or light cardio to their daily routine. If you lift the arms and console to put the treadmill into running mode, it can speed up to accommodate a pace of up to 7.6 miles per hour. The console is pretty basic, with a device stand to hold a phone or tablet, and an integrated LED display that shows your time, speed, distance, and calories burned. It does not support Bluetooth connectivity, so there's no accompanying app. So if you're keen on recording your mileage and progress, this treadmill is best used with an activity tracker or smartwatch. With the console raised, you can start, stop, and adjust your speed with buttons on the interface. If you've got the console lowered and tucked under a desk, you can still control it with the included remote. Number 3. OMA 1012EB. Although many walkers and runners love the idea of a personal treadmill at home, the assembly process can be a bit daunting or prohibitive. While most of the treadmills in this list come partially or mostly assembled, our top pick for easy assembly treadmills is the OMA 1012EB. Verified purchasers in the queue in a section on Amazon attest to the simplicity of putting it together. Amazon buyer William Gaius writes, "You need to insert 4 bolts, that's all, and the tools are provided." Amazon buyer Page P also notes how easy it is, stating it almost comes assembled. Very easy to put together. You just need to unfold it and screw some screws. In addition to its easy assembly, this steel-framed treadmill is sturdy and well-equipped for a range of walks and runs. It comes with 36 preset programs and 3 countdown modes that allow you to track the metrics that are important to you. A digital screen displays your steps, time, speed, distance, pulse monitor on the handrail, and calories burned. It's designed to be quiet too. The motor operates at less than 60 decibels, so you'll get fewer noise complaints from your downstairs neighbor. The handrail offers a little adjustment in height. You can set it up anywhere from 35 to 37 inches tall, so you can prop up your tablet or phone to watch your favorite POV run edits or Britney music videos at just the right angle. The handrails also fold down against the base for easier storage under a bed or in a closet. Number 4. Goplus 2-in-1 Superfit Folding Treadmill. The Goplus 2-in-1 Superfit treadmill can be used as a traditional treadmill capable of reaching speeds of up to 7.5 miles per hour, or folded down and used as a walking treadmill that will max out at 2.5 miles per hour. The sturdy frame and shock-absorbing, multi-layer design will keep your workout quiet and comfortable. This piece of home gym equipment would make a great addition to any home office for remote workers trying to get in their steps between meetings. Just add a standing desk into the mix and you're good to go. It's available in 7 colors. Prices vary by color. The price listed below is for the blue model. Number 5. Exerpeutic TF1000 Walk to Fitness Electric Treadmill. Exerpeutic TF1000 Walk to Fitness Electric Treadmill is the only treadmill reviewed here that is for walking only. Like the other treadmills reviewed, it is foldable to save space and have an adjustable 2-position incline. You can use this treadmill for walking or fast-paced brisk walking up to 4 miles per hour or 6.5 kilometers per hour. It's rated for users up to 400 pounds, so this is suitable for a heavy person. A major advantage is its wide belt. This means the surface on which you walk is much wider than most budget treadmills. The tread belt is 20 inches wide. That's just as wide as the treadmills in commercial gyms have. So it feels more comfortable and natural to walk on and also much safer. This treadmill also features very long safety handles with heart rate sensors that are more accurate than thumb-only HR monitors. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you found this video valuable, give it a like. If you know someone who needs to see it, share it. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. If you need more information or if you want the product price, please do check out the description. Thank you.